Hi everyone! Welcome to our vlog! We're here at the... Where are we, Janjan?
Over to this side.
We're here at the Baguio. Look, the weather is a little bit cloudy. It's my second time around in the Baguio and super nice. Ito na yung hotel na walang aircon, electric fan lang. See? And ito yung mga kiddos ko. Oh, look how pagod and tired and kulit dong-dong. Walang magawa muna kasi gumala pa ang daddy. So here we are guys at the Baguio. Tomorrow na